The Barbadian nationality law is governed by the Law on Citizenship of Barbados, and by the Barbadian Constitution. Definition of Barbadian citizenship. By birth. Section 4 of the Constitution of Barbados defines citizens of Barbados as every person born in Barbados after the 29th of November 1966. The only exceptions are persons born on Barbadian soil whose parents possess diplomatic immunity and aren't Barbadian citizens, or children of enemy occupiers of Barbadian soil, or if neither parent is a citizen of Barbados, or persons born aboard foreign registered vessels located in Barbados. Acquisition of the citizenship. The Constitution also allows for acquisition of citizenship by descent, registration, naturalization, and acts of Parliament. By descent. Section 5 of the Constitution states that children born outside of Barbados, to most men who are citizens of Barbados, shall become a Barbadian citizen. It has additionally come to include children born to Barbadians serving as diplomats abroad, and those born overseas as children of fathers who would have been citizens of Barbados but for their death. By registration. Section 6 of the Constitution allows for the wife of a Barbadian man to be registered as a Barbadian citizen. According to the Constitution, any requirements are to be prescribed, and the woman must take an oath of allegiance if she is not a citizen of Ireland or a Commonwealth nation. The Constitution as written did not foresee Barbadian women marrying non-citizen men. Other current Commonwealth or Irish citizens who fulfill certain requirements such as having ordinary and lawful residence for 7 years may also apply for registration and be registered as Barbadian citizens, determined at the government minister's discretion. By naturalization. Non-Commonwealth citizens may apply to the Minister for Naturalization provided they fulfill certain requirements, such as residing in Barbados for 5 of the 7 years prior to the application, and all 12 of the months prior to the application, and intends to reside in Barbados thereafter, as well as swearing allegiance to the Queen of Barbados. By parliamentary acts. Section 9 of the Constitution allows Parliament to make provision for the acquisition of citizenship. The sovereign, the monarch of Barbados, is chosen by heredity. By virtue of being sovereign, upon accession he will be the Barbadian monarch per the Constitution. Rights. Citizens of Barbados enjoy the following rights. All Barbadians 18 years and over have the right to vote and the right to contest in elections, if they so desire. Voting by right is optional. Citizens have the right to join any trade union or political party of his or her choice. The Constitution states that persons cannot be persecuted based on religion. All religions are free to practice as part of freedom of worship. The right to hold a Barbadian passport and entitlement to receive assistance by Barbadian consulates, embassies, and high commissions all around the world. Citizens can move about the island freely without seeking permission from authorities to do so. Barbadians enjoy certain privileges as citizens of a member state of the Caribbean Community. As with many of the other countries of CARICOM, Barbados issues the version of passports bear the emblem of the CARICOM organization. Barbados and British nationality. Prior to 1966, persons connected with Barbados held British nationality. Barbadians were mainly classified as citizens of the UK and colonies. Upon Barbados achieving independence from the United Kingdom, it became a member of the Commonwealth, with Queen Elizabeth II remaining the head of state in her new capacity as Queen of Barbados. The Savings Clause of the Constitution also allowed all existing law of the United Kingdom to remain in force in Barbados until changed by the Barbados Parliament. As such, Barbados would have thereby inherited the Statute of Westminster as part of its local law from the United Kingdom. Persons connected with Barbados at independence may have retained citizenship of the UK and colonies if they did not acquire Barbados citizenship, or they had specified ties to the UK itself, or a place which remained a colony. Such persons would have become British citizens on 1 January 1983 if they had acquired a right of abode in the UK before the date. Otherwise they would be British overseas citizens. Acts by the British government which previously governed nationality laws in Barbados includes History of British Nationality Law, the 1905 Aliens Act, the British Nationality Act 1948 established nationality called Citizen of the United Kingdom and Colonies, the Commonwealth Immigrants Act 1962. Dual citizenship. Barbadian law allows the citizens to hold dual citizenship and encourages Barbadians living abroad to remain open to the benefits of holding such status.